In today's recipe, I'm taking you through a delicious beef dish first deep fried and then boiled for tenderness and finally wet fried with veggies and a rich tomato-based soup. First, wash the beef. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Chop ingredients in small size or in shape of your favorite. Press a cooking pot over the fire, add cooking oil and wait a few seconds to get heat. Start deep frying the beef. Check if the beef is ready, remove it and press it on the tray. Add the beef in a pressure cooker, add some water and close it. Boil the meat for 30 minutes. Open the pressure cooker to see if our beef is ready. Then remove the beef from the cooking pan. Press it and leave it to cool for 30 minutes before we start cooking process. Press the cooking pot over the fire, add cooking oil, wait a few seconds to get heat. Saute onions until soft, then add beef and diced tomatoes, cover the pot and let it cook. And add bell peppers. Stir very well. Add curry powder. Stir very well, then add your royco in it. Mix them very well by stirring. Add your coriander and stir. Cover the pot to make sure that it softens. Open the cooking pot again to check the progress of our coriander. Stir our beef a bit, then get a quarter cup of our boiled beef soup, cover and let it simmer for a flavorful finish. Cover the cooking pot again and wait for the best result. Our tasty wet fried beef is ready, tender, flavorful and perfectly spiced. Hope you will try this recipe and enjoy every bite. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for delicious meals. Our tasty wet fried beef is ready, tender, flavorful and perfectly spiced. Hope you will try this recipe and enjoy every bite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for delicious meals.